In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by color in LibreOffice Calc. If you've highlighted cells to mark priorities, statuses, or categories, sorting by color is a quick way to bring similar items together so you can review or act on them efficiently. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. Give your file a moment to load, especially if it's a larger spreadsheet. Next, open the existing document you want to work with. Color-based sorting works best when you've already applied background fills to the cells in the column you're interested in. If your colors come from conditional formatting, that's fine too. Calc can recognize those fills when filtering or sorting. Click into any cell within the column you want to sort. This selection tells Calc which column's header should get the filter controls and ensures the actions you take apply to the correct data. It's helpful if your sheet has a clear header row at the top of your table, like labels or status, so the drop-down appears where you expect it. If your data doesn't have headers, the filter will use the first row it finds. Go to the Data menu and choose Auto Filter. If you prefer the toolbar, you can also click the Auto Filter icon there. Auto Filter adds small drop-down arrows to the headers of your active range, turning your table into something you can quickly sort and filter without changing the underlying formatting. Now, click the drop-down arrow in the header of the column whose colors you want to sort by. You'll see a menu with options specific to that column. This is where Calc lets you organize or narrow down what you see without deleting or altering any data. Hover over Sort by Color, then choose the color you want to prioritize. Calc will immediately rearrange the rows so entries with that background color are grouped together, making them easy to scan or work through. If you don't see the color you're expecting, double-check that the cells use a background fill rather than just font color, and confirm that you applied the color to the cells in the specific column you're sorting. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If your table spans multiple columns, sorting by color in one column keeps entire rows together, so related information stays aligned. If the order of your data matters for other tasks, consider saving a copy before sorting so you can revert if needed. And if you need to focus on only one color instead of reordering everything, try filtering by that color using the same drop-down menu. That's all it takes to sort by color in LibreOffice Calc and bring clarity to color-coded spreadsheets.